What in the world? I wonder what view we are going to get from the Wonder View Tower.
Oh, it goes outside. I didn't realize it went outside.
Let's see. First view. Look at this. Wow. Well, hello and welcome to Hello, I am Clutch, where I am here today in the eastern plains of Colorado to take you up the World's Wonder View Tower. Now, this is a very old roadside attraction that I believe has been around for over 100 years, and recently they completely refurbished the whole thing. And so they're in the process of doing that, and I believe they've now opened it so you can see the tower looks beautiful and new, and I think we're able to go up and take you around there today. So we're going to go around, check this out. I think they offer self-guided and guided tours, so we'll see which one we do in a moment. But I'm just excited to take you up and possibly see 6 different states from the top of this tower. Let's go. So just wanting to take a moment, obviously, to look at this beautiful tower. I like the kind of the cream color with that orange. Again, I think this was, I know a little bit of history of it, but I think it was like an old Ripley's Believe It or Not thing. You can see it says by Ripley in Believe It or Not states to be seen. So you can see apparently on a really clear day, 6 different states from here. Obviously Colorado, because we're in Colorado, but then also Wyoming and Nebraska and South Dakota to the north, Kansas to the east, and New Mexico to the south. Oh my gosh, this is really great. But then something interesting just behind this is a few interesting random things just to check out. We are noticing, like, again, this was, I think, an old, like, kind of trading post back in the day where there was other stuff where, like, there's this little random just, I don't know, it's just like, feels like old Route 66 type stuff, even though we're on I-70. There's just this neat little random door in here that, like, I don't want to, like, go in too much and check it out. It feels like it's someone's home over there. There's, like, this cute little hut over here, and this is just very interesting. I don't know. There's just, like, there's an old door, old brick. It's like, again, it's this is like over 100 years old, what is here. And actually, I want to take you back to the parking lot for a second to show you something on the other side involving also seeing 6 states. Here's what the parking lot looks like. There's like beautiful nothing plains of Colorado out here, which I think is just amazing. Like, honestly, it is so like open out here, which is partially the point. But I like this old facade here where it does say see 6 states right there as well. But anyway, let's get to the main event. It is, again, they're kind of like refurbishing it, so it still looks like it's in that process, but the tower itself is looking absolutely gorgeous from this angle. There's these little signs that kind of help you to get to where you're going around. We're still figuring it out as we go. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. But now we're back to the front of that tower. Let's actually go inside. It looks like the entrance is right here at the bottom of the front, so let's head inside. Right before you do go in that door, though, there's this pit, and if you look closely, you can see there's snakes. Watch out for the snakes. Why did it have to be snakes? All right, so we're inside, and I just want to show you here the prices. So you can do self-guided tours, or you can do guided tours. And the guided tours, you can go all the way to the top, where the self-guided, you don't go all the way to the top. So I think guided tours definitely the way to go. And then they also give you this whole fun thing, because you know me, I'm not good at explaining all the history. So they have a nice little paper here telling you all the nice history about this. And I'll try to say some of it, but now you can pause because I'm holding it slowly. All right, so we're going to do the guided tour where we get to go to the top. And so we're going to go up here in a moment. So it'll probably be not me talking as much as the actual person who knows everything talking. Just a few fun artifacts behind me here where you can kind of see like what that sign used to look like on the outside there. And we can see kind of like a wide view of what it looked like down there. Again, 6 states. Woo! They do have a video at the front that is showing like what it kind of used to look like showing old videos, the restoration projects and all that. Because this tower that we're going up today is just phase 1 of it all. They're actually trying to restore the cafe and the other parts too, once they get funding for it all.
So come on up and let's do our thing.
All right, here we go.
Please watch your step. These stairs are tricky.
Ooh, tricky stairs.
They get trickier as you go
Let's see.
along.
Oh.
I'm older and I move a little slower, so.
Oh, sure. Thank you.
So this is the yellow and blue room.
Oh.
The local high school.
Wow.
The Genoa Pirates
Oh, cool.
are gold and blue. So
All right.
This is Genoa room.
Oh, yeah, this gets... Wow. Oh, I can only see 2 states at this point. This is supposed to represent Pikes Peak over here, which is pretty cool. Those are the roads going up and everything.
But all the roads.
This is great.
Accurate.
They're basically trying to finish this.
Each room has a Denver local area artist doing work for the rooms.
Oh,
Each room
cool.
has a different artist. If you're familiar with tarot, the tower card
Oh,
will be in this room.
That's
And it will
cool.
actually be the tower.
That makes sense.
Isn't that cool?
That is very
I
cool.
love it.
And up we go again.
Go, so take your
Okay.
time.
Take your time on the stairs. Yeah.
No running in the hallway.
No running. No, we saw a sign that said don't run, walk, otherwise you'll fall.
That's why
Look
we
at
had
this.
to sign that wonderful little piece of
Yep.
paper.
Makes sense.
And many of the rooms
Okay.
have cubbies.
Yeah, look.
He
Oh,
had
wow.
them stuffed with things as well.
Okay.
This is the yellow room. All these rooms are the colors that they were when he owned the building.
Wow.
And
Look
if
at
you
that.
look, we've got a nice little place out here. I'm hoping we'll figure out some way to get it open so that it can be used for like small weddings and things like that.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Pretty kick. But they saved as much of the original framing as they could. And if you look along there and on all of the frames, practically all of them, you'll see initials. People write their marks. You can feel
Frank,
them across
initials,
here.
initials,
And
initials.
you can paint.
Oh,
You see
oh,
'em all
there you go.
over.
Hard to see, but initials.
Red room?
Ooh, the red room.
Yes. Yeah, we never know what happened.
Yeah.
What's happened in the tower stays in the tower.
All right. Oh, wow, yeah.
And if I'm a
Yeah.
little escape for you, I'm sorry.
Oh, yeah. All right.
It's my personality. So
This is
the
neat.
red room.
Wow.
Our artist for the red room is here today. I
Mm-hmm.
don't know where he is right now.
Okay.
But
This is what
Lonnie
we're gonna have.
Hansen is actually here today.
Oh, that's neat.
So if you stay around a little bit, you might maybe get to see what he's doing.
Wow.
It's gonna take him a while. He's an older gentleman.
Yeah.
It might take him a while to get things set up.
Look at these old pipes and then the
They will
wires
come
and
in
such.
into a
They're not
residency.
pipes.
They're called
Maybe they are. I don't know.
residencies, you know that.
Wow.
When they come in.
And we still even have more to do.
We'll be back later in the summer, and we'll have a-
I can see up to 3 states now. All right.
This is
Keep it
our
going.
observation deck up here.
Observation deck now. Okay. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Getting high.
This is, until you get up to the tower, this is the
Yeah.
highest it will go.
Okay. So this is the highest you can go on the self-guided tour.
Yes.
Okay. And then we're going to go up there as well. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Take
This is
time
still-
to look at your view here.
Yeah. Oh, this is gorgeous. I like how open and kind of this
I know.
light gets in here.
Yeah.
Oh, look. They got a, what's the word? The marker.
Yeah, I'll explain that to you in a minute.
Yeah. Look at this marker down here.
Take a glance around.
I like that.
So
1934.
this is a geological
Almost 100 years
mark
old.
Determined that this is from the Palmer Divide to the Atlantic Ocean. This is the highest point in the United States.
Oh my gosh. That is,
Seriously. And it's been verified.
wow.
And
So,
all the way out, it's flat.
yeah.
And not higher. This
Yeah.
is at 5696
5696. So we're higher than Denver right now.
higher than Denver.
Okay.
Higher than Denver.
All right, here we go now to the way, way top of the tower. The steepest part. Again, you can only go on this if you're on the guided
Your
tour.
hats,
Okay, yeah, that's steep. Oh, wow.
clothes,
Yeah, you
all
can
that
see.
down.
Here we go. All right, gonna do this one-handed, but with that hand doing that. Okay. Oh yeah, this is steep.
Slow going.
Yeah, it'll be a little slow,
Well, that's fine.
but this is fun. Oh, yeah, look at that. Ooh, and taking it slow. Oh yeah, it's tight.
It's tight.
This is not for super large people. Oh yeah.
Oh, my husband got up here.
Okay.
Just came up sideways.
Yeah, sideways seems to be the way to do
Shoulder
it. Okay, there we go. And that's only half. Okay, I should put that fully behind me. There we go. And unclench. You don't think this view is going to be as vast as it is, even though you say you can see 6 states, but you really start seeing really,
How it
really
could,
far.
really, yeah.
Yeah, I can see on a clear day how you can really see far. This is fantastic. Wow. Look
Come
at
in.
that.
Take your time, sweetie.
Yeah.
That's fine.
And there's still
We're in no
even
grand
another
rush.
little bit of a climb up there, but like, yeah, it gets smaller. You can see farther. Highly suggesting taking the guided tour. Here we go for the final climb. Okay. Because that,
Onto this nice
Yep.
piece of steel up
okay, here we go. The final oh, it goes outside.
Open. Yes.
I didn't realize it went outside.
Yes, this is open.
Oh my gosh.
It's not creepy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're on the top patio.
Yeah. I did not realize it was legitimately outside. Wow. Okay, here we go. Let's see. First view. Wow.
Grab on here.
Yeah, grab on here. I'm gonna do this carefully while I'm paying attention. Oh yeah. Yeah, you can feel the wind. Grab here. Yeah, definitely some more wind up here. Sorry for the wind noise, everybody. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. Look at this. Wow. Okay, we're gonna cut the shot and turn on the wind noise reduction. Okay, wind noise reduction is on. Let's see if that makes any difference. Look at this view. Wow, you get a 360 view up here. Again, you have to do the guided tour to even get this. So like, it is totally worth to take that guided tour. You also get much better history. You get these views. I can see how you can see 6 states from here. This is insane. The camera's not doing it justice. Oh my gooseness. She's saying that on a really clear day with the binoculars, you can see the Grand Tetons from here. And Ripley's, believe it or not, like came out and tried to actually like verify that. Again, there's so much cool history here. You get an amazing view up here. Totally worth taking this. Wow. Like, again, not even, my zoom is not, there's a bug on me, sorry. The zoom, this is the full second zoom. I know it's a little grainy, but it's just, wow. Look at this. Like, I know the camera is not even doing it justice, but I can't express how amazing of a view this is. Like, again, Denver is about 100 miles or so that way, about an hour and a half drive. So like, the Rocky Mountains are way over there. Because of the way the ground is, you can't see it, because again, this is higher than Denver, so it's actually, Denver's below us technically, as crazy as that is. But like, so again, to give you the 6 states, Colorado, that way should be New Mexico, that way is Wyoming, that way is then Nebraska and South Dakota, and then way over that way would be Kansas. So just want to point out how this is incredibly solid. Like, you feel no motion or anything while you're up here, so it feels very, very sturdy. But again, just to kind of reiterate the excitement of this is, when you're standing on top of here, you are, with your feet on the ground, the highest possible place you can possibly be, east of the Rocky Mountains and west of the Atlantic Ocean. So like, just as a clutch thing, just like to be the highest place, like literally above sea level, like that, like basically the like 2/3 of the eastern United States, is just absolutely incredible. But now our time at the top has been good, but it's time to climb down. Probably not going to film as I go because I don't want to bite it. Just to help you see how steep it is, though, there's my wife going down. It is quite steep. Hi, wife. I'm not going to film as I'm going, though. It is a very tight climb on the way down, so just keep that in mind. But now, probably just gonna meet you back at the bottom because we're going back the way we came. And now we descend back down to regular person level. I will say, when you go down those stairs at the way top, you go backwards, and it is, you take it slow, and it is a little skinny, so just keep that in mind. It is not the most, it's like the wideness. You can go sideways and kind of make it work if you're a little bit bigger, but it is very steep, so just prepare for that climb. And going down, not so bad. I love the smell in here, I will say. It has kind of like an old school, like roadside attraction smell in a way that I think is wonderful, but they've updated this really well. And I've realized now I'm basically taking you on the entire tour on the way back down. So maybe I'll just keep this going, since you're now getting to see the whole tower in fast forward down motion. Since the wife is talking with the docent at the front, I'm gonna keep going around this way, back to here. I like this. I know this is supposed to be roads, but I really just like when I take a marble and just have it do a fun marble run anyway. So now, even though it's in backwards form, now you're getting to see pretty much the entire tower in its entirety as we go down. Oh my gosh, this was fantastic. But now, obviously, that's all fun and done, we're gonna just exit through the gift shop just to show you what you can get, where you can get some shirts if you want. It's got like the, how it's like getting over 100 years old right there, which is really cool. Got some like, looks like these old miscellaneous jars collected from the High Plains landmark. So like, looks like stuff that was collected from when they're refurbishing this. This is really cool that they could just buy, it's a jar of like, they make it, this is the nicest jar of random stuff I've ever seen. But then over here, they have like they're really like trying to get this place going. Like you can get like plates, you got like cool mugs. Look at that cactus kind of like, oh, what's the word? Not decanter. It's like a flask. I'm kind of looking for flask. That's awesome. This is fantastic. Like all these old school things, like a cool old print for $30 there. Got some hats. Oh, look. Oh, salt and pepper shakers of this place. Oh, my gosh. If you know me, I love salt and pepper shakers. I've been to 2 separate museums. I'll link those down below. But, like, look at that. That's adorable. And then look at over here. We have some more, like, art and some more hats and even some bandanas. They got a lot of good branded merch. In the gift shop here, they have a whole bunch of how it used to look at the top there, where you can see how like fun and busy it was, and like some old artifacts and signs from from the previous owner and how it looked here. I really like this one. Like this walk, don't run, and then if you run, you'll fall down and you'll be like, ouch. Continuing around the corner, they got a whole lot more stuff. Oh my gosh, look at all this. They got so many cool signs. I love hand-painted signs, as you know. Oh, and they got some interesting. We got a petrified cat over here? What's the story behind this guy? Well, who's this?
That's a mummified cat.
Mummified cat?
We found it over here.
They just found the mummified cat here. Wow, that's cool. I like some of this stuff.
creepy.
Yeah, I know. And like I think it's cute. You got the two-headed calf. I've seen a few like mummified
duck, too.
two-headed calves and the bells.
The duck.
Oh, the duck, the two-headed duck. Wow. Yeah, there's some other fun places around I've been where like they have this kind of stuff on display, and that's awesome. But yeah, a lot of good tower history on the walls here. And oh, this is a harpsichord?
I think so.
Yeah,
I'm not sure what
look
that
at,
is.
I kind of know my instruments. Wow. Well, I no longer wonder what the view is from the World Wonder View Tower. That was amazing. That was so much better than I thought it was going to be. Like, I thought it was going to be fun, which it was, but then, like, again, going on the guided tour, I think really helps a lot, get a lot of better history and just some knowledge of what's going on and just understanding like the project of it and seeing, I think we probably saw 6 states from the top there. I mean, I love that kind of thing. That was so much fun. I highly recommend this. I didn't mention the specific where it is. It's a small town, again, east of Denver called Genoa, Colorado. Small town kind of on I-70, closest to the Kansas border, just so you know where that is. But look it up. It's they're just getting started with like doing these tours again, so they might be doing it a little more frequently by the time you get here. When I'm here, they were doing it just on Fridays and Saturdays in the summer, but hopefully it'll be here a lot more. But that was fantastic. Now, if you also thought it was fantastic, if you let me know by hitting a like below, that lets me know you had a good time coming up on this tower with me. And if you want to consider subscribing to the channel, that will help you see when I have new videos out like this, going up fun towers, doing fun things, sometimes in the middle of nowhere, sometimes bigger things in the middle of somewhere. And that's, again, just the easiest way to be notified when I have a new video. But if you did want to go on a new adventure with me right now, where we did see 6 states from here, if you want to see somewhere where you can possibly see 7 states, check out that video up there. That's Rock City, one of my favorite attractions of all time. You can see 7 states. That's 1 more than here. But if you want to see some more fun things to do in and around Colorado, check out that full playlist. Got a lot of great activities in there as well. But until I see you in one of those, for now, I will just say goodbye. I am still Clutch.